So just walk down the hall. This is a long hall. I've got room 1002, which is likely to put it right down at the very end. So here we are heading into room 1002. Put the key card in, get the lights going. So what are we going to find here? Just in and to the right is the bathroom. Nice size shower. Towel feels good. Move up the handheld. Got makeup mirror, single sink, and amenities. What do we got? Little containers. It's a shaving kit and a hairband. And up top is vanity kit, shower cap, sanitary bag, a couple dental kits. So it's kind of handy when you're traveling. And then some mouthwash. Oops, did I knock everything over? Body lotion. And rice bran oil soap. So that's what we got in the bathroom. And come in, closet. A couple of robes, slippers down there. For a number of hangers, so it looks pretty handy. Oh, and there's ironing board and iron. Safe. Wait, and the drawers here. Cleaning bags for laundry. And an empty one, so a few drawers down there. And this is just the slider door from the bathroom. We got a full-length mirror. And where there would be luggage if I had luggage on this trip. It's a nice looking king size bed. We've got a couple USB ports plus regular stuff there, and one drawer. That's a nice little seating area. Circular desk. Yeah, Hong Kong style plugs, but what's nice is they do have a adapter right there, so that's handy. We open this up and we've got USB ports again, so really good for working and charging all your stuff, especially if you're traveling from a spot that has a different kind of plug as standard. And good, there's nice good graphics for the lamps and stuff, so you know what you're controlling. I am still roasting here, so I'm going to get that down really low on the for the temperature. Bedside clock. Yeah, it's a nice little couch for sitting, watching TV. Having this just for the day, I've got sort of a 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. as I go to catch a flight out again this evening. And so the view, looking across at a lot of a mountain and some industrial stuff. New building, there's a ton of stuff. That view now is looking back towards the airport terminal, and just an immense amount of construction going on. Cranes, everything. Good thing this is a Sunday and they're not actually working and building stuff. So anyway, that's the tour. Again, this is the Marriott Sky City, or Sky City Marriott Hong Kong, which is you know what? I just realized there's drawers I hadn't gone into. What do we have? Mini bar stuff. Glasses, cashews, Pringles, coffee pot, and some tea. And the other side has mini bar refrigerator. Has a Toblerone, some Pepsi, 7-Up, water, a couple cans of Stella Artois. So that's what we've got. So anyway, this time the end of the tour will be the end of the tour. Thanks very much for watching. Appreciate it. And if you haven't already done so, I invite you to subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notified of future videos. And may all your life's journeys be everything you dreamed of.